You've set up a PostgreSQL database for your business. You have tons of data, and now you need to know what's driving growth, where you're losing customers, and what to fix next. Normally, this means writing complex SQL queries, waiting on your data team, or digging through complex dashboards. But what if you could just ask? TextQL lets you collect your data wherever it lives and go from raw data to actionable insights in minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up a PostgreSQL connector inside TextQL and show you what Anna, our AI analyst, can do with your data. The first step is to grab your credentials from your database provider. For PostgreSQL databases, the credentials are normally provided in the form of a connection string, which is a single URL that contains all the details you need to connect. For this demo, I'm going to use NeonDB as my PostgreSQL provider. I'll log into my Neon account and navigate to the project I want to connect. In my case, I have one project here called Loop, so I'll open that. This brings me to the project dashboard. On the right side, there's a connect button. I'll click into that, and there is my connection string right here. PostgreSQL connection strings follow a standard format, so let me break down what I have to extract from this connection string. I'll extract the username, the password, database name, and the host, which is the server address where my database lives. For the port, this is typically 5432 for PostgreSQL databases. Now that I have all of these, let's head back to TextQL and set up the connection. Back in TextQL, I'll input the credentials I just grabbed from Neon. I'll test the connection to make sure everything is working, then click Create Connection to save the connector. And here's where the magic happens. The moment I create the connection, Anna will run SQL queries to profile the entire database, analyze the schema structure including tables, columns, and relationships, generate Python scripts to create visualizations, and produce a comprehensive data summary once she's done. All this while I sit back and watch. No coding required. I can also create custom visualizations for presentations. One of my favorite features of Anna is that she works where you and your team work. This means I can set up Slack integrations and ask Anna questions about my data without having to switch context or log into a different platform. I can also configure email reports to receive daily or weekly summaries like changes in transaction volume, new customer signups, or anomaly alerts. That's PostgreSQL connected to TextQL, from raw data to actionable insights in minutes. Visit textql.com to try it yourself.